I borrowed my sister's car without asking and crashed it. A few weeks ago, my sister Jenny came to visit and stayed with me for a few days. She drove her brand new car, a car she's been saving for years to buy. She's super protective of it, constantly talking about how it's her baby and doesn't let anyone else drive it. One morning, she went out with some friends and I was running late for work. My car wouldn't start, and in a moment of panic, I grabbed her keys. I told myself I'd just use it to get to work and back and she'd never have to know. But on the way home, I misjudged a turn and sideswiped a parked car. The side mirror on Jenny's car shattered and the door had a huge dent. I felt sick. I pulled over and just stared at the damage, wondering how I was going to explain this. When I got home, I parked her car in the garage and decided not to say anything. I figured I'd pay to fix it before she noticed. But she came back earlier than expected, saw the damage, and completely lost it. I admitted I had taken the car without asking, and now she's furious. She's been telling everyone in the family what I did, and they're all on her side. I offered to pay for the repairs, but she says it's not about the money, it's about trust. She's barely speaking to me now, and I don't know how to fix this.